Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Libra placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong Feb. So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Yes, okay. And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, no? And yeah, ang ating mga items is available. Okay, yung ating mga pang-protect, from evil eye. Meron tayong ring. This is adjustable po, ha. Ring, necklace, okay, and bracelet. So, meron tayo niyan, no? So, ito yung ating, okay, necklace. Sa mga gustong makakita. Kasi, laging ganun yung message, flex daw. Oo. So, ito, yung ating necklace. So, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, meron siyang extender. Okay, so meron siyang blue stone doon sa pinakagitna. Okay, so, for me, pwede na tong, unisex, no? Kasi napaka-minimalist lang nung kanyang pendant. Okay, and, yeah, yung ating bracelet, dalawa. So, isa yung adjustable. This is available in red and black string. So, may initial rin po, no? Na inilalagay kapag yung, tawag ito, adjustable yung inyong ipapagawa. And ito naman yung ating garterized, no? So, yan siya. Okay. So, ang ating namang love bracelet. So, meron tayong love bracelet. Pang love lang to, ha? Okay. May mga kakonek. Yung mga singles, okay, and yung sabihin nating maraming conflict sa kanilang mga karelasyon, yan, pwede sa'yo to. Ito yung may parang may sasuggest ko, no? And yung ating granter. So, si granter non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and this is 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. So, si granter, yung mahilig magbigay ng surprises. Yes. Hindi lang yung mga minamanifest nyo, ha? Yung kanyang ginagrant. Okay? So, kung deserve nyo yung inyong minamanifest, bakit pa niya kayo paghihintayin? Okay? And syempre, yung ating tawag dyan, pang cord cut. So, yung iba na alam na ang cord cutting, yes, available ang ating pang cord cut. And sa mga hindi alam ano bang meron sa cord cut, tinatanggal po nito, no? Tinatanggal natin yung mga bulok na energy, no? Yung mga nagpapabigat na lang sa inyo. Kaya hindi kayo makaalis dyan, makausad, makagawa. Yung parang tingin nyo, ano ba yan, nakaka-drain naman palagi. Parang ganun. Tatanggalin natin yun. Okay? So, siya yung magsisilbing harang para hindi sila makabalik. Okay. So, yeah. General muna tayo, Libra. Okay. Ano bang meron in general? Kung may specific, sasabihin ko. So, don't you worry. Okay, Libra placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Libra, what's for you in general? In general, ngayong Feb, what's for you? Libra, 7 of Swords. Why? What's with the 7 of Swords? The World in reversed. Who is this? There's this someone being sneaky, deceptive. In general, Libra, kung meron kayong ginagawang hindi maganda, okay, asahan nyo, may chance na maka-apekto to sa frequency nyo, ha? Okay, napaka-general nun. Napaka-general. Anong meron dito sa The World in reversed? This is talking about past energies. Two of Wands. Okay. So, the Star in reverse, the Three of Swords. This is your person from the past. Still, maybe, watching you. Okay? Stalking you. Some of them, nakakuha ko ng energy na pwedeng nandun yung revenge. Nandun yung revenge niya. I don't know how. I don't know kung ano. Kung paano. Iba sa kanila, tinitingnan nito na gusto niya makita ka na hindi ka maging okay. Gusto niya makita sa'yo na hindi nagiging okay yung sitwasyon mo. Kung sino man tong taong to. Some of you nga pwedeng past lover. Past lover. Naging ano ka raw. Tingin ng taong to, naging makasarili ka daw. Yes. Feeling niya, pinagtaguan mo siya. Andun lahat, yung hindi magagandang emosyon patungkol sa'yo. Be careful, ha? Hindi malayong na evil eye ka ng taong to. Protect your energy, Libra. Okay, in general, you have to protect your own energy. Okay, so what else? Anong kailangan malaman pa ng mga Libra? Two of Cups in reverse. The High Priestess in reverse. Somebody wants to know, or somebody wants closure maybe, or answers, para makatulog na sila ng mapayapa. The Emperor. Some of you, you'll reject an offer. Kasi mas alam mong mas makakabuti yun kung i-reject mo. Yeah, there's this offer na pwedeng i-reject in general. You'll avoid connections na pwedeng sa tingin mo kailangang i-avoid. Maybe third parties. You'll follow your intuition. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Avoid. Yeah, I'm seeing some of you, or maybe all of you, avoiding a third-party connection this Feb. Avoid. Yung mga toxic connections. Ha? Avoid. See? The Two of Swords. Nakikita ko nga na kung sakaling ang i-avoid mo, mas okay. Kahit sabihin natin gusto mo yung tao at yeah, gusto mong i-try. Mas maganda kung hindi na. Opo. Okay? May chance kasi na pwedeng mahuli to eh. E di damay ka. Ha? So what else for you, Libra? What else? Okay, the Knight of Swords in reversed. Why? What's with this? Knight of Swords in reversed. The Devil in reversed. There's this short connection coming in with a Capricorn or with an air sign. Meron ditong parang hindi ko alam, like makikibalita lamang. Okay, meron ditong, I don't know if this is talking about mangumusta lang, like that. Okay. Somebody is interested sa'yo. Who is this Knight of Swords in reversed? Somebody is interested. Yeah, see? The Page of Cups. Somebody younger maybe. Somebody na pwedeng nagkakagusto nga sa'yo. I don't know kung sino. Pwedeng meron kayong age difference. Page of Cups, that is a sign na pwedeng may nagkaka-crush sa'yo. They're into you. Let's see. Ano pang meron dito sa Page of Cups? A short-term connection. Pwedeng may mangyaring ganyan. Somebody will express then express din ng kanilang emotion for you maybe. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. A new connection. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, i-message ka nito through, chat. Through online. May connection. May connection na pwedeng mangyari ngayong February. Mga Libra, and I think this is someone new. If you're expecting na yung ex mo is mag-reach out, I don't think so. Galit pa. Bitter yung ex mo, Libra. Okay? So, yeah. Itong taong ito na nakukuha ko. So, meron akong dalawang taong into you. Okay? Somebody na hindi mo dapat i-grab, and yung isa okay naman. Someone younger. And open siya. No options. Okay? So, yeah. Anyway. So, yun ang akin nakikita for you in general. Okay, let's see the person on your mind. So again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Libra. Thank you. Okay, so Libra placements. Who is this person you're thinking of? The person on your mind. Let's see. Ano bang meron sa kanya? Anong meron dito sa taong to? Libra. Description, please. Bigyan nyo kami ng description ng taong ito. Okay. The Page of Swords in reverse. Are you stalking them? They're keeping tabs on you. Maybe they stalk you. They stalking you. They're stalking you. The Page of Swords in reverse. Someone younger, maybe. A younger air sign like you. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's with this Page of Swords in reverse? The Four of Pentacles in reverse. Hindi ito nagbibigay ng attention or parang ini-ignore ka niya. Pero, yeah, they're interested sa'yo. See, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Hindi sila nagpapakita or nagpapahayag na gusto ka. Pero, andoon yung curiosity ng tao pagdating sa'yo. See, the King of Swords. Some of them, sabihin nating, may pagka-wallflower, no, diba? Somebody who is so shy. Parang ganyan, may tinatago. Parang feeling nyo, may tinatago tong taong to. Some of you. Okay? Some of them, they're still studying. Nag-aaral pa. Okay? They're still focused on on sabihin natin sa kung saang bagay. Okay? Pero yes, andyan yung curiosity. They have money issue. Some of them. You let go of this person, I think. Parang hindi mo na siya masyadong pinagbibigyan pansin sa ngayon. The Four of Pentacles in reversed. That is why, maybe. If ever, itong taong ito is nilet go mo, Libra, may chance na nandun yung paghahanap niya sa ngayon. I don't know kung before ay sobrang nagbibigay ka ng attention sa kanya and hindi ka niya pinapansin. Now, nandoon yung paghahanap niya sa'yo. Lalo na kung yun nga, parang binitawan mo. Or nilet go mo, or hindi ka na masyadong nagpapahayag na kung ano man sa kanya. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Anong situation meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon, Libra? Death. See, there's this energy of parang nag-end. They're weeping. They're crying over this. They're sad. So, sa sitwasyon na nangyari, pwedeng nalulungkot sila. Nalulungkot ang taong to. What's with his death? Yeah, 10 of Wands. Malungkot, mabigat. The world is here in reversed. So, yung energy is like, hindi pa tayo tapos. Parang ganyan. There's this unfinished business if this is a past person. Okay? The 9 of Pentacles. Yeah! Nandun yung attraction. So, parang sabihin nating sa ginawa mong pagtalikod or pag-alis sa taong to or hindi pagpansin sa kanya, doon ka sabihin nating nag-gain, no? Sabihin nating doon kanya hinanap. Okay, doon kanya hinanap. Doon kanya parang, alam niyo yung energy ng somebody na nandyan palagi, kinukulit ka. Nakakainis yung energy. And then andun yung pag-alis. Yung umalis, tsaka hinanap kasi nawala. Parang anak sa ina. No? Kapag yung anak nandyan palagi maingay, ganyan, naririndi, naiinis. Pag biglang nawala, tsaka hanapin, ano kang ginagawa nitong batang to? Parang ganun. Yung energy dito. Ano kayang ginagawa nito? Nasaan na kaya to? Parang ganun. Yung energy niya patungkol sa'yo. Hinahanap ka niya ngayon. So, hindi maganda yung situation. Sabihin kong nandun yung pagkukulang. Meron ako narinig na meron daw siyang pagkukulang. Marami siyang dapat nai-express. Marami dapat siyang nagawa noon nung nandyan ka. Let's see. Now, they're in vain. Oh. What's their emotion for you right now, Libra? What is their emotion for you? Deep down. The 5 of Cups. Yeah, there's regrets. They're regretting kung ano man ang meron. Yeah, see? They're regretting over this. They're like crying over spilled milk. 5 of Cups. Now they're upset. The 7 of Cups. Yes. Ngayon, sabihin nating nandiyan yung alam niyang nagkulang siya dito. They want you back. They want you back. Justice. Yeah, the Devil. Pwedeng Capricorn. They miss you. This person misses you a lot. Some of you nasa isang, sabihin natin meron kayong mga mutual friends and now they're stalking. I don't care kung naka-block, kung may naka-block. Sabi ko nga, as always, hindi ko nilalagay sa dahilan ko yung block na yan. Tandaan nyo, hindi lang naman nga sa online pwedeng mag-stalk. Hindi lang sa FB, hindi lang sa ganun, ganyan. Eto nga di ba? You're stalking their energy. Hindi po ako may stalk, madam. Nakalak po yung profile ko. Wow. Wow. Okay, so basta hindi ko tinatanggap yung mga ganun. Yung mga ganung dahilan. Maraming paraan kung gusto kang makita ng taong to. Maraming dahilan, maraming paraan. I mean, kung gustong malaman ng taong to kung ano bang meron sa'yo. Okay? They're looking for you. They're searching for you. Pwede ngang nakikipag-usap to sa mga kaibigan mo, hindi mo alam. Nakikibalita. Anyway. Let's see what is their next action towards this. Next action, Libra. ng taong ito? Pagdating sa'yo, may gagawin ba? Kasi mabigat, hindi maganda yung situation, malungkot, there's a lot of regrets, upset, oh my golly, ang dami niyang gustong gawin, so nagpakita sun. Kunin ko to, itong mga nakataob, hindi muna. So next action is the sun. So meron silang ibibigay na mga signs, no? Or pwedeng magpahayag nga yan, magpakita sa'yo, puntahan ka, mga ganyang bagay. What's with that sun? The tower, and this is unexpected. Hindi mo akalain na kaya niya palang gawin yun. That's so general. Meron siyang gagawin, an action, kung ano man, I don't know. Pero hindi mo akalain na kaya niya palang gawin yun. Okay? So, pwedeng message. Okay? Page, another page of wands naman. Yeah, they're stalking you. Yes. So, hindi mo akalain ang kanyang next action na pwede pala niya yung gawin sa'yo. Let's see. Outcome/advice for you, Libra. The Five of Wands, Universe. Avoid drama. Kung nandyan lang siya at puro drama ang dala, avoid them. Okay? Keep an arm's distance from this person, please. Libra. What is this Five of Wands in reversed? The King of Cups in reversed. The King of Pentacles. So, nandyan sila. They're guarded. Pag nandyan na, okay, gumagawa ng aksyon sa'yo, they're guarded. And, ang nakikita ko rito, hindi sila magpapakita ng emosyon. Okay? Andyan yung parang titingnan nila kung ikaw is weak pa rin, kung meron ka pa ring soft spot pagdating sa kanya. Yes. Hindi to magpapakita na dumaan siya sa ganito. Pero alam nyo, sinabi ko, ha? Okay? May facade ito pag yan dumating. Meron. They will trigger you. They will. Titingnan yan kung meron ka pa ring, sabihin nating room para sa kanya. Yeah. The Chariot in reversed. Hindi pa ito nakaka-move on. Yeah. Kung gusto nila makipag-usap, then open the line of communication. Pero again, keep an arm's distance. The Knight of Swords in reverse and the Six of Cups and the Lovers. Yeah, yun naman talaga ang intention niya. Makipag-ayos, makipagbalikan. Pero nandyan yung sabihin nating parang nandyan yung hindi siya magpapakita ng weakness. Ang gusto nito makita is yung weakness mo. Gusto nito parang maramdaman mo na kinakailangan mo pa siya. Kasi yun ang siya pagdating sa'yo. Kinakailangan ka niya. Yeah. Okay. So, ikaw, nasa sayo. Nasa sayo. I don't know kung ano bang nangyari sa past. Kung bakit nagkaroon ng separation. So, pwedeng yung mga sinabi ko dito, yung dahilan. Okay, so yes, we're reading for the collectives, Libra collective. So, ang daming energy nun. So, nakadepende na sa inyo kung anong situation, kung bakit kayo nagkahiwalay or what. So, yeah, ang kanyang next action is to go forward, to make an action, to give you hints, signals. Okay? Pero, again, keep an arm's distance. Okay? From them. So, let's see. All signs for you, Libra. Zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Okay, Aries. Secrets will be revealed. May mga marireveal. Taurus. Fear emotion is hidden. Yeah. Nakatago yung emosyon niya sa'yo. Gemini. Gusto niya na maging open ka. Gusto niya, ayaw niya to na nandiyan yung energy ng pag-avoid. Cancer. Hindi pa sila nakaka-get over, no? Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on from you. Leo. They're stalking you. They want to flirt. Oh. They want playtime. Maybe. Virgo. Okay. So they like you. They're attracted. Pero some of them, they're not open emotionally. Like, andyan yung energy na they're very independent. Like that. Libra. A new connection maybe. Meron ditong parang mag-start pa lang, mag-bloom pa lang, something like that. Scorpio, they're waiting for you. Sagittarius, hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. Capricorn, they miss you. They need you, they're sad. Okay. Aquarius, hindi pa tapos. Okay, hindi pa kayo tapos. Pisces, okay, they're obsessing you. They're obsessing over you. They love you actually. Okay. So there, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.